Retailers are realizing that they can increase their online offerings with zero inventory commitment and offer an endless virtual aisle of product. DTG is the only and growing solution for these retailer and consumer demands. Fifth Sun holds the most apparel licenses for e-commerce supply in the industry and has the most retailers integrated with our systems. We have serviced Walmart, Kohl's, Target, etc. for 20 years and know how they can grow a business. We have partnered with 240 Tech this year because they have similar urgencies and innovative drive as we do at Fifth Sun. They're quick to respond and design a solution from a user perspective and from the ground up. When I first started Print on Demand, my goal from the very beginning was to solve the short-run, fast-turn e-commerce supply problem of 50 to 250 shirts per SKU. I believe OvalJet is the solution to solving this problem from a cost and supply standpoint. It is a delta that allows us to not only supply our volume users now, but build a scalable solution to suit their needs in the future.
Employee safety is always our top priority. The OvalJet supports this priority through its innovative design with safety built into every step of the printing process. The equipment features safeguards such as sensors on the clamshells and cabinets, safety bars, and a multitude of other safety components within each piece of the equipment. The OvalJet provides an odorless foundation that creates a strong bond between garment and digital ink set and utilizes a dot-for-dot application of foundation which reduces the risk of staining and overspray.